What's up? I'm just going to do a real quick video on how to change the key battery or remote fob battery in a A5, A4, Q5 3-button remote. It's really simple. First just press the button on the back, that releases that and you've got your emergency key. Then you've got a little tab at the top here, you press that in and then just pull it out, it's quite firm. And then you can see the batteries there. Okay, really simple. Pop the battery back in and then you push it back. So the part number of this particular battery is a CR2032. Okay, just pop that back in, push that back in like that, and then you can put the key back in. Okay, perfect.